Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by inspecting the earring closely. Examine the post, the clutch or hinge, and look for dirt or bent metal that causes looseness. Once you see the problem, wipe the post clean with a soft cloth and magnifier. Make sure debris isn't the culprit. Next, prepare your tools, smooth jaw pliers, and a firm surface. Begin with tiny, controlled pressure to feel where movement occurs. This prevents overbending and sets you up to tighten precisely without damaging plating. Now focus on the clutch or backing. Position it in the pliers and apply gentle, even pressure to close the gap a fraction. You're aiming for slight resistance when sliding onto the post, enough to stay secure but not so tight it tears the post. Once done, push the clutch onto the post and wiggle to test. Make small adjustments and retest frequently. If the backing is a screw type, rotate slowly to feel threads engage. Make sure alignment is straight to prevent cross-threading. Finish by deciding whether the adjusted backing is sufficient or replacement is needed. If the post is thin or damaged, slide a small silicone sleeve or 2 mm clear tube onto the post for added grip, or use a new metal clutch sized to the post. Once done, wear the earring for a few hours and recheck stability. If the earring still wobbles or the post is cracked, stop and take it to a jeweler for soldering or post replacement. That avoids breaking the piece further.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.